Welcome to this beginner's guide to Midjourney. Midjourney lets you create images by typing in text prompt. Never has it been easier to go from a single imagination inside your brain to finished piece of stunning artwork right in front of you. It can even go beyond your imagination. Just look at what others have been able to create within the last 24 hours. Now let's get started. First, go to discord.com and download it to your PC. Follow the installation instructions and create a Discord user. Next, go to midjourney.com and sign up with your newly created Discord user. To create images, you'll need a subscription plan. There are 4 different plans to choose from. They vary in price depending on how much fast time you need. Fast time determines how many image prompts you can generate. I personally recommend the standard plan to get started. If you run out of fast time, you can buy more later. Now that you have subscribed and created a Discord account, you are ready to use the Midjourney on Discord. But first you will need to copy a server link. I will leave the link in the description. Open Discord and click on the plus icon, then select Join a Server at the bottom. Paste the link you've copied inside the box and press Join. The Midjourney bot should appear when you click on the Discord logo. This is where you will be generating your images. Image prompts are straightforward, but it is good to be very descriptive to get close to your imagined image. You could, for example, consider the subject, whether it's a painting, a photo, or an illustration. Describe the environment, lighting, color, mood, and camera angle. Let's now write our first image prompt. Start by typing /imagine and click Enter. You will see the word prompt appear, which indicates that the following text will be used to generate images. I wanted to generate an image of a gladiator fighting with a gorilla. I want the image to look realistic, so I add the text ultra-realistic. It's common practice to separate each command with a comma. You can also add parameters such as the aspect ratio. Make sure to separate the aspect ratio by a colon. I'm also going to make it clear that I don't want any text in the image. When you're ready to submit your prompt, simply press Enter. The Midjourney bot will now process the prompt. This can take a minute or 2. Midjourney has now generated a tile of 4 images. They are numbered 1 to 4 starting from the top left. You can now take a closer look at them all and decide which one of them you like the most. In my case, I like the second one because it matches my search the most and has a clear background. If none of them was of any interest, you can ask it to generate 4 new ones by clicking on the blue rerun icon. You can also upscale the one you like by clicking on U and the corresponding number. If you want different variations of one of them, click on V and the corresponding number. It has now generated a new tile with a clear background as I wanted. I will then choose which one I want to upscale, which in this case is the first one. Once you upscale an image, you get more options such as upscale subtle, upscale creative, very subtle, very strong, very region, zoom out and pan to the sides, corresponding to the blue arrows. With the very region option, you can select a part of the image and replace it with something else. Let me demonstrate by replacing the gorilla with a tiger. This is the result. It's not the best, but you get the idea. You can also add extra empty space, for example at the top for text. The arrow indicates on which side the extra space will be added. After upscaling your image, you can click on the heart icon to save it to your liked images. I will show you where you can find your liked images later. To save your image on your PC, click on the image to view it large size. Then right-click the image and select Save Image and choose where to save it. Another cool feature is permutation prompts. This prompt format uses curly brackets and commas to generate multiple tiles in one prompt. Let me show you what I mean with a racing car example. When you hit Enter, Midjourney will let you know that it will be creating 3 prompts. Click Yes to continue. Permutation prompts save you time, so you don't have to write a prompt for each color of the racing car. Another cool feature is the Describe function. This lets you upload an image and Midjourney will convert it to a prompt. Start by writing /describe and press Enter. A box to upload image will appear. Click on it and choose your image. Then hit Enter again. Wait a moment, and you should have a description for your image. This feature is useful for when you want a prompt for an image you've seen on the internet, and you want Midjourney to create something like it. Copy the description and paste it in as a prompt and it should give you something that looks like the original image. Be patient, it's not always accurate enough. And this is what it came up with. Not exactly the same, but you can judge it for yourself. We have looked at how to use Midjourney on Discord so far. In this section, I will quickly guide you through the options for using Midjourney on the website. So start by going to midjourney.com and log in. On the top, you have the Explore page. This is where you can see what other people are generating. You are also able to see the exact prompt that they've used. By dragging and dropping any of the images, you can create your own modifications. The text box at the top is where you write your prompt. You don't need to write /imagine, you just type in your prompt. Your prompt will then be processed under the Create menu. Here you can also see your previous images. At the bottom right, you have more options such as variations, upscaling, and rerun. In the settings, you can again change the aspect ratio and the style. I will choose the 9:16 aspect ratio and increase the stylization to 800. Where it says version, make sure to choose the latest one. Just like in the Discord, you can like the image by clicking on the heart icon. To view your liked images, click on the Organize menu. Then come over to the right and select Filters. Tick the one that says Liked. Images you've liked in the Discord will also appear here. If you go back to the Organize menu, you can select multiple images and download them at once. Select by click and dragging, or hold down the Shift button and click on the images you want to be selected. Then click on Download at the bottom. Under Folders, you can create folders to organize your images. I will create a folder and name it Inspiration. I can now select a group of images to add to my new folder. To add selected images to a folder, click on More at the bottom. Then hover over Add to Folder. Your folders will then appear on the left for you to choose. The chat menu lets you communicate with other users and you can see what they're working on. The prompt is on the left, and the chat is on the right. If you click on your username at the bottom, and then select Manage Subscription, you can view your subscription plan. You can also see how much of your fast time you've got remaining. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.